Okay, here's my recipe for pizza sauce. Very simple, but honestly the best sauce that you can do. It's all about these tomatoes. I'll put a link in the description where I get them from. But it makes a massive difference. And these are expensive. So in the UK, £2.15 for a can. Obviously compared to 50p or so for a normal can. It makes a massive difference. So it's just one can of, it's 400 mils, 400 grams I think, these cans, 400 grams. Just 400 grams of the tomatoes. I use half a teaspoon of oregano or oregano. And then I use sea salt. This is really high quality sea salt, flakes. Again, use half a teaspoon. Black pepper. As much or as little as you like. And then I put half a tablespoon. I use chilli oil. So this is my own chilli oil, extra virgin oil. Obviously chilies have been sitting there for probably a year. It's quite spicy. Half a tablespoon of that. And that is it. That's all the ingredients. And then all I use now is a potato masher. Give it a good mash down. You can use a food mill if you've got a food mill. Food mill's good because it gives it all, obviously, very even, but this does the job really nicely. I've always done it like this, and it works really well. You have a few sort of bigger chunks in it, nothing too big. And then I put it in the fridge. I normally do this the day before. Put it in the fridge so it's ready for the next day. But just make sure you take it out sort of an hour before you want to use it, so it's not too cold when you put it on the pizza. Airtight container, done. Simple.